Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to view property tax history on any Zillow listing. First of all, go ahead and search or look at your specific property that you want to see for, and once you've located the specific property, go ahead and tap on its profile and scroll a little bit down, and you will find this specific option where you can see public tax history. And as you can see, all the taxation history can be viewed from here for this specific property. Now the same goes for the other properties as well. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on their profile, scroll down, and you will find that specific option called public tax history. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on show more, and you will find all the taxations. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or query, please do comment down below.